eat your heart out. That's got power as well. It's still there all these years on a top aircraft. Now, first designed to fly high level, drop free-fall bombs over the sort of our friends in the east that we're now all pals with. But then it had to reconvert, didn't it, to the low-level role with standoff missiles. That must have been a hell of a challenge.
Initially, the standoff missile was an interim measure with the blue steel, and the delivery of that was still at high level. The reason for that was the increase in Soviet capability, but once the missile capability meant that the aircraft couldn't even get within standoff range, then we had to give it. The three main bombers, the Vulcan was the only one that had a suitable wing platform to do it. The Victor went on to tanking role and the Valiant was retired.
Outstanding. Last operational missions. I remember those hugely long-range missions down to the Falkland Islands in 1982. Was it the Black Buck, the Black Bomb? I forget.